Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to swatch some lip shades that you can try for this festive season. These are a bit more bold and fun than your regular lip shades. I have pinks, corals and nudes. And if we talk about the formula, I have bullets, crayons, liquid lipsticks and a lip and cheek tint too. So let's get started. On number 1, I have the Daighter Earth Phytonutrient Lipstick in Sultry Cocoa. This is a deep pink nude shade. This is made with actives. It has botanical oils, plant butters, so it's vegan. This has a soft matte finish. It's intensely pigmented. The application is not the easiest, but it's very comfortable and non-drying. I'm trying to avoid liquid lipsticks these days because they make my lips very dry and lifeless. I love the formula of this lipstick and the fact that this has active nutrients that will keep your lips nourished and moisturized. By the way, this has a staying power of about 6 to 8 hours. Next, I have the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in Caramel Latte. This is such a beautiful, warm caramel shade. This retails for ₹500, but it's always on sale. The formula is amazing. It's very moisturizing. Application is easy. It doesn't dry out your lips. As the name suggests, this has a built-in primer, so it will not settle in the fine lines of your lips. The finish is not 100% matte. It has a bit of shine. This isn't transfer proof. I personally don't mind lipsticks that transfer as long as they feel comfortable on my lips. The staying power is about 4 to 5 hours. This has a very lightweight formula and you can try the shade Caramel Latte if you have warm undertone. It's a beautiful caramel nude shade. On number 3, I have the Mars Non-Transfer Butter Stick in Confident Women. This retails for ₹349 and the shade is a warm toned brown. The formula of this lipstick is very unique. It's almost like a liquid lipstick packed in a bullet form. It will glide like butter on your lips, but it does dry out into a completely matte and transfer proof finish in 15 to 20 seconds post application. The staying power is about 4 to 5 hours. It turns extremely matte and keep in mind that it starts fading from the inner rim of your lips. Make sure you prep your lips before applying this lipstick. It's not extremely lightweight because it becomes very matte and you will feel like you are wearing a matte lipstick, but it's not extremely drying. Next is a lip and cheek tint from Daighter Earth. This is in the shade Coral Nude. I love the color. It does not exactly tint your lips like the name. It has a very moussey formula and the finish is satin and the shade is a warm toned brown nude kind of shade. You can apply it on your lips and cheeks. It's very pigmented, so apply very little if you want to keep it sheer. You will need reapplication every time you eat or drink something as it comes off, but overall I really like the formula of this lip and cheek tint. It's very creamy and very comfortable on the lips. That's why I included it in this video. On number 5, I have the MUA Velvet Matte Lipstick in Secret. This is a nude shade. You can use lip liner with this one. This is a shade that you can go for if you want to keep your eyes glam and lips subtle. This retails for ₹400. This brand launched on Nykaa recently. I bought a couple of products from the brand to test and ended up loving this lipstick. It has one swipe pigmentation. It's very comfortable on the lips and application is easy too. It has this very peculiar crystal shaped bullet and I really like the packaging because it's very sturdy. The brand is also vegan and cruelty free. The color is perfectly balanced neutral nude. If you have a skin tone deeper than NC40 or 42, you will need a lip liner with this one. The finish of this lipstick is soft matte and the staying power is about 4 to 5 hours, I'd say. On number 6, I have the Lakme Matte Melt Lip Color in Crushed Caramel. We have a lot of caramel shades today. This again is a warm brown caramel nude. This retails for ₹800 and has a velvet matte finish. It's extremely pigmented and lightweight. You can see this is such a beautiful warm brown with golden undertone. This will look bomb on people having warm undertone. The staying power is about 6 to 8 hours. I don't wear my lipsticks for more than 6 hours. After 6 hours, I'll just remove it entirely, and if I have to wear it more than that, I'll just reapply the lipstick. The Melt Matte lip color comes in 20 different shades, but this shade has my heart. This lipstick also has a non-drying formula and the finish is matte. Next, I have the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in Made Easy. This retails for rupees 349 and the shade Made Easy is a combination of everything. It is this deep reddish brown shade that has a hint of pink and it's very warm toned. This has a powder matte finish. It has intense color payoff. It feels very light on the lips. It's non-drying to an extent. It will dry out your lips if you wear it for too long. Staying power is about 8 hours at least. It starts fading from the inner rim of your lips. The only reason why I like this shade is because of its uniqueness. It looks like a lot of different shades, so lighting is very important here. Sometimes it looks like a deep pink nude. In fluorescent lighting, it looks like a reddish brown nude, and in sunlight or in natural light, it looks like a warm toned coral red. So this is a very unique shade that I absolutely love. On number 8, I have the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in Live on Edge. This is a deep brown nude shade. It also has a hint of pink. Now this retails for rupees 599. This is exactly like an ink. It's extremely pigmented and it glides on your lips. It's got a satin finish, but it gets more matte with time and ends up in a soft matte finish after a couple of hours of application. The staying power is 6 to 8 hours. I like the packaging. It comes with a tiny built-in sharpener of its own. You can easily line your lips, and this has a non-drying formula. It doesn't dry out your lips at all. It's almost transfer proof. It does transfer a little, but that's completely acceptable if we consider the non-drying formula. The last lipstick I have is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lip Ink in Amaze. The L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick range is something that I mention in all of my videos because I feel that this is the best liquid lipstick formula that exists, especially if you have dry lips. It's so light, watery and non-drying. This retails for rupees 699. It has an oil and water formula. Everything about this lipstick range is amazing. They have 32 shades. The doe foot applicator is beautiful. It glides on your lips. If you've not tried this lip ink, I will highly recommend it. The shade that I have here is a deep coral brown shade. Initially it will have a satin finish, but in about 30 to 45 minutes it will become soft matte on your lips, and it does stain your lips, and for me that's a good thing because it makes the lipstick long lasting. That's it for the video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.